I do a lot of advocacy for children with special needs in my country, the Seychelles. A lot of, especially around communication, the right to communicate. Talking a lot to the parents about empowering their children, giving them resources and tools to help them communicate.
I've been advocating for inclusion of children with disabilities in schools.
Well, since my focus is with people with locomotive impairment, the one problem we really have is the backlog, which is huge. People can wait up to a period of 4 or 5 years for a leg.
On return from Australia, what I've been advocating for is basically increasing access to assistive devices for people with disabilities, that is ranging from prosthetic devices, wheelchairs, and other assistive devices.
I've been advocating for disability inclusion policy change in terms of implementation and also engagement of persons with disabilities in the public spaces. One example is within the government, I've been pushing for employment agenda for persons with disabilities so that agencies or parastatals who are advertising for opportunities can get persons with disabilities on board, and so that they can be engaged and so that they can become economically empowered.
In fact, what needs to be done is to help that person as much as possible reach the ability of an abled person.